Kasi ready ka ng lakay nga maging famous di Pilipinas. Well, tanong no pa na di Pilipinas ang kaadutikwa. Famous.
So, see, I go and go find other Filipino girls.
Padasem ta kita am kartibik data.
You're gonna cut my
Ukal man. Sige.
You don't like to share?
No.
Why?
Kapuning ka lakay.
Yeah, I know. We'll be in the same basket. But it's okay, then you can have no children.
No, promise me, I'm the only one who
Of
lost.
course.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ay, ganun na. Mabuting ako. Don't go to Philippines na. Just stay here in Ohio, Kininayo. Okay?
Okay. No problem.
Okay, we just is here. Kininana. No, I'm scared that you're going to Philippines na.